Hello, Kishan ji. Hello.
Yeah.
Kishan ji, my boss is on the line.
Hi.
Narendra is there.
Yeah, what's your name?
Good evening.
Hello.
Hello, I'm saying good evening, sir. How are you?
Hey, good evening. I'm good here.
Please tell me, sir, you're having some queries.
Yeah. Sure. What's your name?
Narendra Singh Chauhan.
Narendra. Okay. Narendra Singh Chauhan. Okay.
Yeah.
So, Narendra, you are you from legal?
I'm
or are you from sales?
I had the sales.
But you are from Shapurji or you are from Shapurji, right? You are not from Channel or Channel Partner.
No. I am from Shapurji Palonji. I am AGM out here.
Okay.
Who takes care of the entire sales and channels out here.
Okay.
For this sir.
Okay. So there is this thing. Your people sent me application for expression of interest.
Correct.
In Yahavi Tower 3 Teak. This is because I insisted on getting an application form. I want to read the application form, so they sent me an application form. But now I am informed that this application form is not the one we are talking about, because here it clearly mentions Yahavi Tower 3 Teak bearing Mahara number. The expression of interest is being solicited for another project with a similar name, probably Yahavi. What is it?
Right.
With a different RERA number, and RERA number has not yet been received. Okay. So one discussion I was having with your colleague is you are therefore soliciting expression of interest for a project for which RERA number has not been received. And let us be clear, that is not legal as per RERA Act. Okay.
Correct.
Now let us go to point number 2. Point number 2 is, see, there is a difference between expression of interest and token.
Okay.
Expression of interest prior to your launch does not mean that I am interested in your flat. Expression of interest means I am interested in understanding more about your project, and if sufficiently convinced, may consider booking a flat. Okay.
Exactly.
So to give you an this thing, हम लड़के वाले लड़की वालों को देखने जा रहे हैं. We are not interested in getting engaged. We are not asking for an engagement. We are only saying हम आपके घर पे लड़की को देखने आ रहे हैं. Our interest is only to that extent. Now your application form, however, says I am interested in purchasing flat in the tower called Yahavi Tower 3, etc., etc. And then all my details, PAN number, etc. are being to be given. The applicant is hereby expressing an interest in buying a flat, which is incorrect, which is completely incorrect. Applicant is only expressing an interest, a distant interest in your project, and may express an interest in buying your flat when he pays the token amount or booking amount. That is the fact.
Correct.
But this effectively fudges, and then it goes on to use the word token and advance interchangeably with EOI in your point number 4, terms and conditions. The applicant shall provide the check, demand draft, Paytm transaction ID, etc., for payment of the token/advance payment made (quote EOI money). In which case, and case of an allotment being made or confirmed in favor of the applicant, shall be adjusted against the consideration. Now, this means that if you suddenly say, yeah, okay, we are allotting you, and you send me a letter saying, Mr. Rao, we are happy to allot, then my EOI money is stuck with you, because then you are going to say, now it's a token, it is not refundable. Correct? Read your point number 4. I am giving you an expression of interest, which will be automatically converted and taken as token or advance money in case that you guys decide to suddenly send me an allotment letter. So, while it is being taken as expression of interest, really speaking, I am sending you my money to be entrapped, to be impounded. So, think about it carefully, read it, and then they are saying, point number 5, the applicant can withdraw their interest from the project at any time prior to execution of application for allotment by the applicant. Execution of application for allotment by the applicant. What is execution of application for allotment? Because this letter, this application form is itself asking for allotment. It is saying it in as many words.
Let me answer. Let me answer. So when this was getting prepared, this particular application form. So we had a very detailed interaction with the legal team, and we also cross-checked our past expression of interest form, and we have exactly copied all the work which we have been doing since then.
Your voice is fuzzy. Your voice turned very fuzzy. Yeah.
Just hold on. Am I audible now?
Yes, now audible.
Properly? Yeah. Okay. So I'm saying so this has been already solicited by my legal advisory team, which we have been following across our project, across India. Okay, and we have not been changing any words and all, because it's one particular company, which is Shapoorji Pallonji, and we follow the standard format. Right. Secondly, the fifth point which you mentioned, which you talked about, it states that, which is correlating to the fourth point. It states that now you are showing me an expression of interest. I would like to buy a property, okay, and to give me a preferential allotment or preferential, consider me as a preferential category.
There is not even one word. There is not even one word or one sentence in this entire thing which suggests that I am going to get any kind of a preferential treatment vis-a-vis some other walk-in customer who comes in and says, I want to book this flat. There is not one sentence, not one word. The word preferential is itself not used over here. This form is indistinguishable from a booking form. Is indistinguishable from a so-called application form where my token will become forfeited. And your point number 5 says I can withdraw my interest from the project at any time prior to execution of application for allotment.
Correct.
Now, this execution, first of all, the word execution is usually used in the context of registered agreement.
Correct.
Okay. Application for allotment is basically the same thing. I am making an application for allotment here. Okay. At the same time, your hands are free. The moment you say, okay, we have allotted you, dear Mr. Rao, we have allotted you, I am doomed. My money is impounded.
So we will not be allocating any apartment to you, because we don't have that right unless and until you come to the site or you have a detailed understanding ki, okay, these are the towers, these are the floors, this is the unit plan, this is my preferential apartment, this is my preferential view, this is available, yes, okay, this is available, so flat number so and so, I would like to go ahead. So once you give us a go ahead, then we give you an application form where you mention everything. Baba, I have gone for this kind of an apartment, this, and we give you a written consent. Now your 45,000 is there.
My 45,000. Okay, what is 45,000? That is you are telling me about your process, which is not written down here. Okay, this you are explaining your process to me,
right?
Which is not explicit. Which is not explicit in here. And you are saying, except for what is stated above, this application for EOI does not create any right in favor of the applicants. So I am giving 45,000.
Correct.
I don't see a single point where I am getting a single paisa's benefit for giving 45,000. Okay, a single paisa's benefit as opposed to just being a walk-in customer or waiting until your launch happens and all the rest of it happens, and then at a much later date, say 6 months down or 3 months down, I decide to book. Okay.
Correct.
In fact, if someone, arguably, if you have, let us say 100%, let us say you have 100 flats and you have received 100 EOIs. Okay, you are saying, oh, they are booked. Okay. Then you say, okay, this is the amount. If you still have 100 EOI and then somebody comes along saying, I'm going to pay a little more and I want a flat. Arguably, I have no rights. I cannot say, no, I had given you EOI, therefore you should give me the flat and you should give me preferential treatment. A late walk-in customer who is willing to pay a couple of lakhs more will probably walk away with the flat. Or he will walk away any reason. He's just preferred.
I'm totally with you.
So where is the preference? Where is the preference? Where is the thing? And why is there a confusion between expression of interest. See, you guys, your legal team has drafted this. I have no doubt about it. The difficulty is your legal team will draft it in your own company's best interest, not in my best interest. But it is drafted as if I have written this on my own volition.
Please, sir, please go ahead. I'm sorry.
See, this letter has been, this application letter is a blank format. Okay, so it looks like I have voluntarily prepared it on my computer, and I have decided all these things, and I have written it to you voluntarily. And I am of my own volition, I am accepting all these terms and conditions. And without taking a paisa's return for any kind of benefit. There is no benefit outlined in this. Zero benefit. I am willing to put 45,000 into your account for benefits unknown, for no privilege whatsoever, for an unknown launch date, because the launch date is also not mentioned in this.
Correct.
Why would any sane human being want to do that? Should he want to do that? This whole thing is drafted for the company.
I'm totally
tell me.
I'm totally with you on what you're saying.
Yeah, then have it changed, no? Then have it changed.
But we had this particular format, and since years all put together, whenever EOI collections have been done for any of our projects, it has been done in the same format, wherein in the past also, in the first launch also, whoever client has done an EOI, they have been given a date, and on that date we have locked all the fresh clients to be coming to the site. Only the clients who are having EOI, the expression of interest, wherein we give them a token number, only those are allowed, and only on that date. Then they have been given the choice, because this is the inventory, complete inventory in front of you.
You are not giving me your inventory. You are not telling me what your inventory is. You are not informing me about your inventory at this point of time.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You are not promising to give me your inventory either. You are not promising to show me your inventory. You are not promising even a launch date. See, there is a launch date. You are saying this on phone. In this, not even a mention of a launch date or a possible launch date. I am told that it is on May 15 orally, which can easily change because of COVID conditions and lockdown.
Which will definitely change, because we were planning for the launch in the end of this month itself, but because of this pandemic situation, we have shifted till 15th May.
Okay. So, but you are not saying it explicitly.
Everybody is going around.
But you are not saying this explicitly in this form which I am expected to fill.
Correct.
In this form, it is saying no information given hereby creates a warranty or expands the scope of any warranty that cannot be disclaimed. The use of advertisement material in circulation by the applicant is solely at the applicant's own risk and volition. Like, it is like I am giving you 45,000 and I am shooting myself twice in each foot. The data and information, including brochures, plans, specifications, images, pictures, conceptual designs, dimensions, configurations, and other details in respect of the project presently on advertisement material in circulation may not be accurate. I am saying it after giving 45,000 to you, and could be based on information which is tentative and subject to change per law. So you are actively making me shoot myself in my foot. You are giving me the revolver and you are saying, beta, ये इधर trigger ऐसे पकड़ने का, ऐसे point करने का, ऐसा trigger press करने का, and I will be pressing it. Thumb. This is the thing. I am shooting myself in the foot. It is further clarified that data and information, including plans, floor specifications, blah blah blah, presently on Maharera website is subject to change. Means, and then you are saying, and I am writing, transfer of this application of EOI will not be permitted. This is my application form. But really speaking, this is like putting a gun in my head here, or gun in my hand, and making me press the trigger. Or kya hai here? What is this? It's completely unethical here.
So I will not at all deny in what all you are saying.
Right.
But it has been followed.
It is what it is. Right. But it is unethical. And you guys want to gather a party over there on 15th of May. You are saying that you are going to gather people यहाँ पे कोविड में फटी पड़ी है यार लोगों की।
नहीं नहीं
And
नहीं,
for-
ऐसा नहीं होता। नहीं, गैदरिंग ऐसा नहीं होता सर। कोविड में अभी जैसे मैंने बैंगलोर में
20 दिन में ठीक हो जाएगा।
नहीं नहीं, बैंगलोर में मैं बता रहा हूँ ना, बैंगलोर में जो अलॉटमेंट किया था ना, वी हैव स्टेडेड इट फॉर एंटायर 1 वीक। ठीक है, जनरली अलॉटमेंट होता है 2 से 3 दिन में। वी हैव स्टेडेड इट फॉर 8 days एग्जैक्टली, प्रिसाइजली 8 days वी हैव स्टेडेड।
8 days your what?
Distancing and 8 days of allotment we have done.
8 days of allotment you have done.
हाँ, so the clients were given expression of interest. So if at all it would not have been a pandemic situation, we would have called them in maximum 2 or minimum 2 or maximum 3 days. But as this was a pandemic situation, this is an ongoing pandemic situation. So what we did with, we have staggered it for 8 days, so that there should be enough distancing amongst the client coming. They should be taking their time, right? So the place should not be crowded out. We have taken all those measures out there. All those measures. So we will not be doing that कि एक ही दिन पे सबको बुलाएंगे और सबके साथ मतलब
आप जो भी बोल रहे हो ना, आप जो भी बोल रहे हो ना, I am guessing that you will not be able to put it in writing. You will not put into writing that there is a launch.
Not be in a position to put it in writing.
So whatever I am doing is I am throwing money and saying I am throwing money. I am being asked to throw 45,000 rupees into your account, into the account which is arguably not necessarily Shapurji Palan.
I have understood all your position in it. There is no mention of this X, Y, Z, 1, 2, 3, 4 points, right? And again on this particular point. But just let me assure you one thing, right from your first point. The first point stated that कि phase 2 आएगा and phase 1 के तुम इस पर बात कर रहे हो। तो phase 1 में कैसा है सर कि phase 1 में हमारे पास we have got around 35-40 odd inventories which are still available, ठीक है, after the launch itself, right? Because those are certain inventories which we want to sell it off. So we are taking expression for them. And if the client is interested for phase 2, we'll consider the same expression of interest for phase 2 once we have the data in our hand, right? But it will be revealed at the time of both phase 1 and phase 2 inventory will be revealed at the time of allotment to the client. And if the client is okay either with phase 1 or either with phase 2.
Why? Okay, just as a reasonable human being, let me know what is this thing of revealing the inventory?
Revealing the inventory.
What is it like? It's like a magician opening his this thing.
No. It's not a magician. No.
तो क्या है ये revealing inventory क्या है? पहले पैसे रखो फिर reveal inventory करेंगे।
हाँ, तो इसमें कैसा होता है सर, मेरे फर्स्ट फेज में भी ऐसा हुआ था कि वी हैड क्लोज टू 1600 यूआई व्हिच वी कलेक्टेड अगेंस्ट द अपार्टमेंट, 650 अपार्टमेंट्स वर देयर। वी कॉल्ड ऑल द 1600 क्लाइंट्स इन स्टेगर्ड वे, ठीक है, एंड दे सिलेक्टेड देयर अपार्टमेंट्स एंड दे वेंट। जिनको नहीं मिला उनके मतलब एज पर देयर कन्वीनियंस की आई नीड दिस फ्लोर और दैट व्यू और एक्स वाई जेड, ठीक है, फॉर ऑल दोज वी हैव ऑलरेडी रिफंडेड द 45,000 अ मंथ बैक इटसेल्फ। So we don't have a single penny outstanding with us कि बाबा किसी का 45,000। Yes, the 45,000 which was still we have again probed the client कि sir if at all you are interested for phase 2, can you just hold on to this 45,000 with us? If at all you don't want to hold on, we will refund you back immediately. We will refund all that money also.
See, you are saying you have refunded. So basically it is like this. Suppose you bring ride your scooter or drive your car into my building, and I'll say I'll impound it for a day or two. You know how it is going to feel. Now here you are saying you are going to impound my 45,000 for 60 days. 60 days you are going to impound the money. First of all, why you would impound for 60 days is itself beyond me. Why 60 days? Yeah, you have an accounts department. You can easily make out RTGS on the same day.
See, that is also quite possible, sir. That is also quite possible. Okay. So
why I should consent to be impounded? What is the merit? What is the benefit for which I am consenting to have 45,000 impounded in your account?
The benefit what you are getting is
where is the benefit?
When the entire floor plan.
वो तो मुझे वैसे भी मिलेगा ना यार. You guys want to sell, right? You guys want to sell after launch date also, ना?
हाँ, अगर कुछ बचेगा तो आफ्टर लॉन्च भी बेचेंगे।
You really make it sound like there's going to be a scarcity. In that case, I should not be hearing from your project again over the next few months. if there is such a scarcity and you're making it sound like hot potatoes की तरह, गरम भजिया की तरह बिक जाएंगे.
नहीं नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता सर. इट्स नॉट अबाउट हॉट पोटैटोज सर. इट्स नॉट अबाउट, आई एग्री, आई एम टोटली विथ यू. इट्स नॉट अबाउट हॉट पोटैटोज.
Is that the reality? I mean, आजकल
बिकॉज व्हेनेवर जब भी हम खोलेंगे ये अपार्टमेंट, ठीक है, तो जिन लोगों ने हमको टोकन दिया है हम उनको पहले बुलाएंगे. उनको बोलेंगे आपके हिसाब से जो भी प्रेफरेंस आपको दिख रहा है, पूरी इन्वेंट्री आपके सामने खुली हुई है, उस तरफ का फ्लोर, इस तरफ का फ्लोर, जो भी रहेगा इसमें से आप चूज कीजिए, आप पहले ले जाइए. उसके बाद में जो जिन लोगों ने टोकन नहीं दिया है, ठीक है, उनके लिए मैं ओपन करूंगा. लेकिन सबसे पहले आपको,
तो वो जो आप कह रहे हो, ये बेनिफिट आप बोल रहे हो ना, आप ये बेनिफिट बोल रहे हो ना फोन पे,
ये बेनिफिट है ना. हाँ.
नहीं ये बोल रहे हो, बराबर है, आप बोल रहे हो बेनिफिट. आपके एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म में ये बेनिफिट क्यों नहीं लिखा है? आप जो बोल रहे हो, सी लिखे हुए शब्द हैं, वही तो मायना रखता है.
मैं तो बोल रहा हूँ सर, जो इतने समय से जो हम लोग करते आ रहे हैं सर, वही मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको.
नहीं वो ठीक है.
610 जो बिके थे इन 2.5 days, उसमें भी हमने सारे क्लाइंट जितने भी थे हमने उनको बुलाया, हमने उनको बैठाया, हमने उनको दिखाया कि सर ये इन्वेंट्री है. और उतने दिन हमने बाकी कोई भी क्लाइंट को हमने एंट्री नहीं.
तो ये इतना सब बोल रहे हो तो इसमें क्यों है इतने डिस्क्लेमर है? इसमें इतना डिस्क्लेमर क्यों है कि नो बेनिफिट except for what is stated above? This application for UI does not create any right in favor of applicants. ऐसा क्यों है? Why doesn't it say clearly this application for UI gives you priority preference? It gives you priority. You will be given preferential treatment on the day of the launch, or for 1 week from the day of the launch, or for 1 month on the day of the launch. You will be given preferential treatment, priority over everybody who has not given us an UI. ऐसा वो एक जो राइट है, that singular right for which I am giving you UI, वो लिखा क्यों नहीं है? बोलो. Why is it not written? Why is it not written now?
So what I'll do, I'll just recheck with my legal key on the mail. I'll post you giving me 45,000 on the mail, official mail. Can we give you this particular commitment? Okay?
It should be part of the form, yaar. It should be part of the form.
Now it has been done, sir.
No, so let it. This form is supposedly drafted by me. For all its practical purposes, it's drafted by me.
And Shapurji Palanji is
मेरा first person में है, आपका cross. By the way, you are not even tied to this. You know why? It is not a contract. It doesn't constitute a contract between you and me.
Yes.
Because you are not even signing. यहाँ पे आपका signature of acceptance के लिए भी जगह नहीं है.
नहीं, मेरा सिग्नेचर ऑफ एक्सेप्टेंस मेरे रिसीट वगैरह के साथ आता है सर आपके पास प्रॉपर्ली.
वो तो जब मैं दूंगा तब at your own sweet will and discretion you will give a signature of acceptance. But if you are giving me an allotment letter, मेरा सिग्नेचर का जगह होता है. Think about it.
अलॉटमेंट पे आता है ना, आपका भी सिग्नेचर आता है.
कोई भी लेटर देते हो आप, मुझे कोई भी लेटर दोगे, मेरा एक्सेप्टेड विथ थैंक्स बोल के वो जगह होता है.
हाँ बिल्कुल.
सोचो. हाँ, तो यहाँ पे यू आर नॉट बाउंड. दिस इज माई दिस थिंग टू यू.
पीछे सर सोल रीजन एक ही होता है, इसके पीछे सर सोल रीजन एक ही होता है, जो मैं एज अ फ्रेंड में बिग ब्रदर, तो मैं उस हिसाब से आपको बताना चाहता हूँ. तो इसके पीछे सोल रीजन एक ही रहता है. अगर इन्वेंट्री पूरी सोल्ड आउट हो गई, राइट, और प्रेफरेंशियल नहीं मिला क्लाइंट को, मतलब एग्जांपल आपका स्लॉट है कुछ सवेरे दोपहर को 12 बजे से 1 बजे के बीच का, और सवेरे के जो स्लॉट वालों में से एग्जांपल आपको 21st फ्लोर पे चाहिए, ये व्यू चाहिए, और इधर के 5 अपार्टमेंट है, ये निकल गए, राइट. अगर ये निकल गए फिर क्या, राइट? आई विल नॉट.
फिर और भी प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं. शाहपुरजी पलोंजी इज नॉट द ओनली वन इन द मार्केट. Why is there an illusion? The illusion of scarcity, where does it come from here? You are making it look like real estate market इतना गर्म है, इतना तेजी वाला है, और शाहपुर जी का इतना बढ़िया बिकता है कि तलते ही बिक जाएगा. सुबह को जलेबी फाफड़ा लेने को आते हैं, वैसे बिक रहा है. ऐसे नहीं है.
अक्टूबर में मैंने मेरा मांजरी का लॉन्च किया था. मांजरी आप जानते हैं, मांजरी प्लेटफॉर्म जो है, मांजरी प्लेटफॉर्म में मैंने जॉयविला लॉन्च किया सर. ठीक है, मैंने पहले 3 टावर ओपन किए, 3 टावर. ठीक है, लेकिन क्लाइंट रश और ईओआई का इतना प्रेशर था ऑलरेडी हमारे पास कस्टमर का, 3 की जगह फिर 5 टावर ओपन करने पड़े, 5 की जगह 7 के बाद एक और ओपन किया 8, एंड देन वी हैव टू क्लोज द शॉप. And it was sold. And I'm not saying it, sir. I'm not saying it.
You are saying it. Of course you are saying it. Of course you are saying it.
I'm saying it, but you can cross check it. Like any number of your friends who are buying in the property who might have had a look at their the property is over there. Rather, उससे ज़्यादा as a मतलब this particular project Vana, because this is the gold city, right? And there is no concept like gold city into Pune, Maharashtra or Western India kind of stuff. It is majorly into Delhi, and it is a creative gold city. But this is a natural gold city which is operational since last 10 years. Wherein we are creating, and that's the reason the clientele want to buy in such kind of a place.
Anyway,
that's the reason there is a demand.
Long story short, see, listen. Long story short, right now what I'm seeing is that your UI, first of all, the fact that it is Shapurji Palonji's project is itself in question.
एक last word बोलता हूँ, being the head of the project, ठीक है, it's my personal assurance and commitment. जब भी मेरा allotment date open होगा, ठीक है, I will personally give you a call, ठीक है, to come for the allotment and to choose your apartment. I will give you 4 to 5 options. You give me the options. I'll block that inventory and I'll get it done. Yeah, I
look for your words to be in the. I want your words, especially the preferential treatment part, to be in your expression of interest format. And these disclaimers, ये जो सारे disclaimers है जो मेरे हाथ से waivers and disclaimers sign करवा रहे हो, data may not include blah blah, may not be accurate.
Correct.
Remove those, na. Why data may not? Why data? You are a company. On my side, can I say my PAN number etc. and my bank details may not be accurate? बोल के मैं लिखूं? My email address and my correspondence address may not be accurate. बोल के लिखूं? Will you accept it?
No.
Exactly. So you are a company. You are soliciting. Let us be very clear. You are offering for sale. And you are telling me that the product description, project description, etc., everything that has been claimed in advertisement, brochure, including RERA, are subject to change. And none of it may be accurate. And look at the contradiction, boss. Remove those contradictions. Remove the contradictions.
As a human being, if at all I would have been in your shoes, okay, I would have also thought of the same platform, same pattern. I'm nowhere denying what you're saying, but this is, unfortunately, it
is what it is, and you are a company, you are an executive of the company. Agreed.
Right. Even at such a senior level of mine, even if at all I go, I talk to my legal would come back to me on the same thing.
I know. They are not going to change a word or a comma or a full stop. I get it.
Right, sir.
ठीक है, वो ठीक है.
मेरा एक पर्सनल एश्योरेंस है. You go ahead, ठीक है. Preferential allotment is my lookout. ठीक है. I'll share my personal number with you post this call. ठीक है. If you feel you just go ahead, ठीक है. या उसके अलावा भी कुछ विंडो अगर बनता है, बात करके अच्छा लगा था इसलिए कह रहा हूँ. उसके अलावा भी कुछ विंडो मिलता है ना, तो then let me call you.
चलो ठीक है. ओके.
है ना.
चलो. Thanks, man. Thanks, man.
Yeah. Thank you. Have a great day.
Bye.
Yeah.